Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung Intention Oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ay ang weekly reading ninyo for September 18 to 24, 2023. This is a general reading. So, maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs ninyo para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, Aries, that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, let's see what's up with you ngayong week na to, Aries. Okay. Ladybug. Ang ladybug, 'di ba? It symbolizes good luck. Ayan. So, merong swerteng parating sa'yo. Maaring things are going to be in favor of you ngayong week na to. So, samantalahin mo yan. Ito na yung time na mag-manifest ka, work towards your goals, your dreams. Okay? Dahil merong miracle, merong divine assistance na ibibigay sa'yo ang universe. Let's see what else pa. You have Scorpion. Ayan. Scorpion. And then, you also have Pegasus. Itong Scorpion, this is about passion. Yung passion mo sa mga bagay na gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay. So, I think you're going to be more passionate in your craft, in your career, kung ano man yung importante sa'yo ngayong week na to. And I think meron ka ring madidiscover na bagong passion, bago mong kahihiligan, pwedeng bagong hobby, no? Libangan. Ayan. And maaari ring meron kang i-resolve na mystery or meron kang aalamin pa na mas malalim, na misteryoso para sa'yo. This can be a person na misteryoso para sa'yo, or pwede rin tong isang idea na gusto mo pang lalong matuklasan, malaman, anything that you are interested in. And then you also have the Pegasus. Pegasus is about freedom, triumph, infinite potential. So, I think marami kang kayang gawin. Marami kang kayang i-pursue ngayong week na to. So, ang ganda ng energy kasi it seems na you are passionate, you are at the same time malaya kang gawin yung mga gusto mo. So, andun yung opportunity for you. At the same time, meron ding swerte sa'yo, may good luck for whatever you're going to pursue or do or fulfill ngayong week na to. Wow. Okay, what else for Aries this week? You have the 5 of Cups. I think mabibigyan ka ng another chance dun sa mga bagay na akala mo na miss na opportunity sa'yo, na parang nanghihinayang ka, no? But this week, meron ka pang chance na ayusin yun, i-work out yun. This can be related sa trabaho mo with the 8 of Pentacles. I think you are going to master a craft, master something that you are very much interested in. Trabaho, career, business. You have the World card. Oh, merong accomplishment, achievement for this week. Pwedeng merong matatapos na project for you na magiging very successful, and it is going to lead you to a new beginning. Bagong opportunity for you. Some of you naman merong opportunity to work abroad or to trade abroad. Parang, may online business ka na pwede kang magbenta sa ibang bansa. Or, pwede ring trading ng services. So, you're offering services sa ibang bansa. You have the Queen of Cups. You have so much love to give, no? I think this week, it's full of passion, compassion, ayan, and caring for yourself. So, I think, isa rin sa bibigyan mo ng attention yung sarili mo. Yung, alam niyo na, self-care, self-love. Oo. Lalo na kung medyo hindi mo na alagaan yung sarili mo ng mga nakaraan. So, ito na yung time na to focus on yourself. You have Jupiter in Pisces in the 12th house, seduction. Jupiter is about abundance. This is about growth. And Pisces energy is something na ethereal or something na related to arts, to the other realm or spiritual world, no? So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong mamamanifest na matagal nyo nang hinihiling or pinagpipray dahil sa pagiging deeply connected ninyo sa inyong spirituality. And 12th house is also about, anything mystical, anything na magical. At the same time, these are also energy ng mga endings, new beginnings. So, I think for some of you, merong ending na kung saan magbibigay rin to ng bagong opportunity for you. So, ending a cycle of your life, a chapter of your life, and then it will also lead to a new beginning. So, you have, may Mars in Scorpio in the 8th house. Merong revenge. I think, you will get even with someone na may nagawang pagkakamali sa'yo in the past. Kumbaga, masuserve na yung justice na yan. And also, maging careful ka rin sa mga actions mo ngayong week na to. Huwag mong hayaan na magpadala ka sa bugso ng damdamin mo, no? Lalo na pag ito ay galit, okay? You have Spider, Dreamweaver, tune into the energetic grids around you. Where can you send your energy for healing? Yes, so this is healing from your past. It's time to close that chapter of your life para maka-move on, maka-move forward ka na. Yep, this is shadow work. There are no shadows without light. So I think mas nagiging aware ka na dun sa mga kailangan mong ayusin sa sarili mo to become a better version of yourself. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, nakaresonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aries. See you again.